Hi, I'm Sebastian Pesa, and I'm here to take an in-depth look at my demo reel. So without further ado, let's begin. Step into the world of Sears Legacy. In this 2D Metroidvania, a lost explorer finds himself in a dark, mysterious cave system. The player can use the keyboard to control the main character, and can fire projectiles with the left mouse button. Before starting, I had to break down what it means to be a Metroidvania. As a designer, this was the first step to nail before I can start building. Part of the experience involved guiding the player without simply pointing out the obvious. However, the player would always be rewarded for finding something off the grid. That feeling of accomplishment is what drives the player to keep playing. Over time, the player would find collectibles and new abilities to enhance their exploration capabilities. Once I narrowed down the core experience, I put my attention towards the level design. I took one step at a time with building the maps in the game. What started out as a sketch on paper soon turned itself into a larger scope for building. The map went through different redesigns before I was settled with a solid foundation. Not only did I leave signifiers to create points of interest, I also built standard clues to lead the player in the right direction. Adobe Photoshop was used to create sprites and UI elements for the game. Every other asset used in the project was borrowed from outside resources. Almost a year of development on this game, and yet I always find myself learning new ways to enhance the player experience. For more information about Sears Legacy, check the page down below. Dungeon Delvers is a game made by 7 people. Our creative director labeled the game as an XCOM-style dungeon crawler. To simplify the concept, the player selects a quest to follow. They can pick their squad of 4 party members to take into the dungeon. Each party member has special abilities to randomize the player's style during combat. Upon completion, the player will obtain an award. The player can spend their earnings at the shop for more gear and more potions. The more quests you complete, the stronger your party becomes. My role as a producer involved me keeping track of every member, assigning tasks to each student in the group. As a team, we booked meetings to discuss topics about development. We even did playtests to find errors and room for improvement. Anytime a member needed to speak with me, I was always there to answer any questions and resolve conflicts related with development and personal matters. To conclude this segment, our time spent on this project helped us adapt and learn what it's like to work with a team. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you see and want to learn more about myself or my games, give me a call down below.